This is super fun. I don't typically get to work with mild steel that often, so I really enjoyed this. Started off as a Speedway universal leg pipe kit for a small block Chevy. And I really like the turnout of it. Even the flanges, they look really nice compared to the ones that I was looking at. They had a cutout that I didn't care for. These look really pretty. Now we can get going on the exhaust, and got something cooking in my mind that I just can't wait to get rolling on. It's gonna be almost like a side pipe, full exhaust type deal. You only see 2 to 3 feet of it, then it's gonna 45 underneath and tuck all the way back out. So stick around for that because it's gonna be fully polished. Hey, what's up guys? This is the first time she's seen some sunshine, and I must admit I love what I see, and I hope you guys do too, because the last time I talked to you we were just brainstorming about the side pipe full exhaust off the back idea, and here it is finished. So come with me and take a look. Once we built the headers and got them positioned, went and dumped the V-band off of the block off at a 40-degree angle so I could snug it up right to the frame rail, and then run it the length of the frame to the rear hairpin, and then just tuck it back in and all the way back out. And we were able to put the Flowmaster Hush power in on edge with a visible logo out to the side so everybody could see what the sound of power sounds like, or what produces the sound of power. Let me put it that way. I can help you search the web. And it was a bit too cramped over the top of the axle, so we just decided to go underneath the axle. And it's real simple to service too, because you just have a V-band and then one rubber grommet on the tailpipe, and all you do is drop that and then do whatever you have to. This is my favorite angle of it, is just looking at it from the rear. But enough with all that, let's go ahead and fire it up so you can guys hear what this thing really sounds like.
it.